I'm making this video because I have an electronic, or if you have any electronic and you replace the fuse, there's a little fuse in this plug right here, and it keeps popping the fuse, and I'm like, what the heck's going on? It keeps sparking. So this thing had a little tiny fuse in here, right there, inside of there, and I put a piece of aluminum foil in there, and then I closed it, and I plugged it in, and it started sparking. You could see that, how it just like sparked. So I'm like, why does it keep sparking? That's telling me that positive and negative is touching. So it took me a second to realize it, so I tracked it all down. And this isn't gonna work all the time, but most likely, my girlfriend said that when my daughter dropped the fan, that's when it did it. So then I tracked it down, and look at that. We got positive and negative touching. So now I know what the problem is that keeps causing the fuse to pop on my house and on this thing. So what I'm gonna do is rewire this right here, and I can almost guarantee that this thing's gonna work. So I'm gonna splice that, rewire it up. Make sure you keep the positive on the positive side, the negative on the negative side, and then you just rewire it, and let's see what happens. You're gonna need, if you have one of these wire splitters, splicers, that's nice. If you do, make sure electrical tape, because you've got to separate the positive from the negative, and a razor blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and split this up and get ready to rewire. All right, we're going for 16. Got that. Oh, it's probably actually 14. It is 14. And usually if you guys look at a wire, if you don't know what side goes to what, there's usually markings. Sometimes they'll have a white stripe or something like that. Well, this one right here has a bunch of little tiny faint lines. Oh, there's a black stripe right there on that side. So that way, and there's no black stripe on this side. So you'll know what side goes to what. I didn't even notice that right now. All right, so over here, I'm gonna split this up. Got that split. What did I say, it was 14? These have numbers on them, 14 gauge.
Or did you say 15?
I think it was 14. There we go, 14. Never ever work on anything when it's plugged in, because guess what's gonna happen if it's plugged in? There goes your booty. All right, so then we split this up. We're looking for the one with the black line right here, with the black line. And we're going to twist these together. And I'm gonna twist this one together.
Why are you twisting them together?
Because they have to be twisted together. I'm actually gonna go get a wire nut instead of just using electrical tape. Gonna go ahead and put these on there. And anytime you use a wire nut, it just be safe. A safe thing to do is just put electrical tape all over it. You just want to, don't take no chances. Just in case there's like a little blowout or a spark or something, it's not gonna hit your carpet or something like that, especially because this is a fan.
So if it hits your carpet, it'll start a fire?
It can, but just to be safe, what you want to do is grab your electrical tape and just wrap it. It's not going to hurt. And you know, this fan is only like a $20 fan, but it's good to know that you could do things and you could fix stuff instead of having them end up in the dumps or garbage. Plus, it's nice to know you could do something like this, right?
Yeah, instead of just
go buy another one, go buy another one. Stuff is made so cheap.
Money.
Yeah, it's a waste of money. You could say that. All right. I'm trying to go as fast as I can for you guys so you don't watch a boring video. All right, so you see how I wrapped those right there? And now I'm just gonna wrap them back together. I'm like 100% positive this freaking thing is gonna work. How much you wanna bet? Bet me $1.
No.
$1 bet right here. We're gonna put this little fan blade back on there just to show you guys real quick. Get your butt on there. All right, let's see if this thing works. I'm gonna put this back together, close it. Here goes nothing. Keep your eye on the fan, please. Let's see. There it goes. Fan is fixed.
It's
Thanks for
blowing air at
watching.
me.
Go fix that broken wire. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up. If not, leave a comment.
Hello.
Bye-bye, Beanie. Show him how he enjoys that fan.